Oh, hello. This is Jerry Sampson in Atlanta, Georgia, USA, with information about the clinical modification of dental facial development, the CMDD. The CMDD is a sophisticated approach to orthodontic treatment. The CMDD is not designed for everybody. It's for those who are willing to make a commitment to sophistication and learning in orthodontic mechanics, diagnosis, prognosis, treatment planning, treatment options, and very critically, troubleshooting. People doing orthodontics find some things out. One of those things would be sometimes orthodontics works. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it works for a while and then it stops working. And then what do? Are these things predictable? Are areas of guarded prognosis in mechanics, treatment planning, and guarded prognosis in retention, are those predictable? Yes, I think they are reasonably predictable. The CMDD focuses on primary dentition orthodontics, mixed dentition orthodontics, as well as permanent dentition orthodontics. But please understand that because I'm dual trained in pediatric dentistry as well as orthodontics, and my private practice focused on patients that would apply to those areas. In other words, not adult patients. Now, by adults, I'm referring to people with perio and endo and multidisciplinary with implants and psychological. No, I'm not interested in those things. My orthodontic practice focused on children and teenagers. Therefore, the CMDD continues that approach. When you enter the CMDD, please be aware that you are making a commitment. You are making a commitment first to yourself and to your patients, and you're making a commitment to a sophisticated learning process. People find out that orthodontics is not simple. It is not always easy, but it can be approached in an intellectual and fun-loving way. You'll find I'm very, very big on people enjoying themselves while they're learning. When you enter the CMDD, you're placed on a team. Your team are the people sitting around you, and there is a frequent, if not sometimes constant, interchange between me, the teams, and the teams and each other. In fact, I have expert assistants with me helping teach the course, and there are 2 of them. When you have a question, you raise your hand during the meeting, and your question is answered immediately with one-on-one personal attention. It's a commitment I make to you and a commitment that I've made to my continuing education corporation, Gnathos, that when people have questions, they will have their questions answered in a sophisticated, intelligent, and appropriate conversational method. The CMDD is taught in 2 sessions. Session 1 is in October, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's 4 days. The first session focuses on Class 1 crowded, extraction, non-extraction, and the tricky borderline extraction case when you're not really sure. Again, this is hands-on. It includes bracket placement on cloned plaster models, where you actually place the brackets, form the wires, you bond the brackets to the models, and the assistants and I are offering you one-on-one personal attention about the best bracket placements and why. In addition, there's permanent dentition bracket placement on plaster models. And again, the assistants and I are making sure you have the questions answered and that you understand why the brackets are placed in these specific areas in order to get a specific treatment response, including problem solving and troubleshooting. The first section of the CMDD then, in addition to extraction, non-extraction, diagnosis, treatment mechanics, prognosis, and problem solving, also extends into Class 2s. The second session of the CMDD is in December. Again, 4 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We finish the Class 2s and we launch into the Class 3s. After completing the CMDD, you're eligible to be invited into the advanced meetings. I will discuss that with you should you make the commitment to attend the CMDD this year. The CMDD. If you would prefer to have a personal conversation with me, I'm happy to schedule that with you. You can contact me on my mobile phone, 770-851-8319 in Atlanta, Georgia, East Coast time. If necessary, leave me a message and I will phone you back. Then we can discuss your personal needs as well as any questions or concerns. The CMDD, it's not for everybody. Make the commitment. Hey, I'm looking forward to meeting you personally.